Still stuck at 100 subscribers, 200, 500 subscribers? You're probably making one of those 5 mistakes. Let's fix them today. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. And to the new subscribers, you are very much welcome. So today we're going to be talking about those 5 mistakes that I believe are actually harmful to your channel. We're going to be fixing them today. Do well to stay tuned. Let's dive right into it. So guys, number one will be no clear value in your content. Yes guys, number one of those mistakes will be no clear value in your content, right? You're uploading but you're not getting subscribers. You're uploading, you're not getting subscribers. You might be wondering what's going on. What is it am I not doing right? Because people are wondering, what am I subscribing for? So the solution to this is define your channel's promise in your content and in your thumbnail. Yes guys, in your content, meaning whatever it is you're doing, whatever it is you're dishing out for everyone to see, right? You make sure to define what your channel offers in every of your videos. As long as you upload a video on your YouTube channel, do same to your thumbnail. That's why your thumbnail speaks even more louder than the channel content itself, because that's the first thing viewers are going to see, right? That's the first thing they're going to see to detect if they really want to know what you're going to be telling them in that video. So your content thumbnail you're uploading for, it should be defined. It should speak what you actually want them to see, right? If you're going to be telling us how to upload a video on YouTube, make sure your content thumbnail has that keyword in it, right? Do not just upload a thumbnail for uploading sake. Make sure it is well defined. What you're promising to deliver is what is actually on that thumbnail. So there and then they will know that this is what they are going in to see, right? So the solution to all of this is to define your channel's promise in your content and also in your thumbnail. Make sure that every video answers, why should I come back for more? Do well to tell them, probably at the end of every of your video, you tell them to click the subscribe button, for you will be sharing amazing YouTube tips, amazing cooking tips, depending on whatever niche you're into. Make sure to tell them the reason why they should come back for more. That alone is enough to make them know if I actually want to click the subscribe button or not. So guys, that's our number one mistake and the solution to it. Make sure to apply it and you will see changes in your channel. Let's move to number two now. Our number two mistake on the list is weak or no call to action. Weak or no call to action. If you've been following me, I always tell you call to action is important. I mean, these are viewers that have a lot on their mind, right? They actually have maybe a lineup of 5 videos to see in a particular time frame. After seeing the first one, they move to the next one. They might not remember to click that subscribe button. That is why you, as a content creator, it is your job to always remind them to subscribe to your channel, right? Always remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Weak or no call to action will also make your channel feel as though you're not having subscribers, because I mean, you're not telling them what to do. You're not reminding them to subscribe at every point in time. It's either you're not doing it or you're doing it very late, right? Make sure to do it at least in the very first 30 seconds of every video you're uploading, right? Make sure to always tell them to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Make it a habit, guys. It is part of your job as a content creator. You can also impute it in the first 30 seconds, a verbal call to action, a verbal subscribe button. You can just put it by the side of your video. As you've been following through in my videos, you can always see the subscribe button everywhere in my video, either at the top right or the top left, guys. So do how to always tell your viewers to click the subscribe button. It is very important. Call to action is a must, guys. So guys, those high value moments where you're actually dishing out the main thing to your viewers, make sure to have a subscribe animation displaying on the video, either by the left or by the right, anywhere you please, right? But make sure to have a subscribe button showing it. You can do that using CapCut, like whatever app you're using to edit your videos. make sure to have a subscribe button displaying at every high value moment. This will help, guys. Now let's move to the third mistake that we might be doing and we are not aware of. So guys, the third on our list is your thumbnails and titles are not clickable. This is very possible, guys. You can actually upload a video using, to you it's a high clickable thumbnail, it's a high clickable title, but it is not to most viewers. And if no one watches your videos, no one is going to subscribe and no one is going to comment, and that's not going to help improve your channel. We all know that. So make sure your titles are very clickable, they are SEO related. SEO meaning search engine optimization. They are, like I said, highly clickable, SEO relatable, and also they are very catchy. If nobody clicks, nobody's going to watch and nobody's going to subscribe. That's it, guys. So make sure your titles are clickable, your thumbnails are eye-catchy, and also clickable. Remember, that's the first thing viewers are going to see that will tell them if they actually want to go further into your videos. Solution to this, guys, I will be sharing with you four things that are important in your YouTube thumbnail, in whatever thumbnail you're uploading for viewers to come across. First, contrast, emotions, big text, curiosity. Yes, guys, those four things listed on the screen, because I will be placing them on the screen so you will understand it a lot better. Contrast, big text, emotions, and curiosity, they are very important. Make sure it appears in every thumbnail you are putting out there for viewers to come across. This will help in your channel's improvement, guys. It will help big time. Remember, titles and thumbnails are very important. That's the first thing viewers get to see to know if they actually want to view more. Also remember, guys, that your title should create questions of value. Yes, guys, your title should create questions of value. I believe you've come across titles like this. This killed my channel until I did this. I had no views until I changed the settings in my channel. You've come across titles like that, and trust me, I know you clicked on it because you wanted to know more about it. So these are the things, these little things that you think are not actually important, but they are very important to help improve your channel. So guys, that's it for number 3. Let's move to mistake number 4 that might be actually affecting your channel. Number 4 on our list is you're not making shorts or trending content. Yes, guys, you don't just post because you have a topic in your head, right? A lot of people, YouTube makes it easy, right? You can actually go to your YouTube analytics and you will see trending topics that people are actually searching for. Then you key into that. You make sure you get to upload a video relating to that. Or you see top creators that are in your niche and you see the videos they are actually uploading. You can actually work with that. Try to recreate something like that and you will see an improvement in your channel. Now jumping into shorts, guys, like I said before, shorts are really important. Like they have the highest maximum reach, right? These shorts are really fast, they are addictive, and you really can't tell who it's going to meet. Yes, guys, they are highly discoverable and they are of high reach. So guys, try to key into shorts and you will see a maximum improvement, like a very big improvement in your channel. I kid you not, guys. Shorts are amazing. Just the short you upload now, trust me, come back in 30 minutes time, you will see something of 500 views. You might be wondering, who are those ones viewing my shorts? Who are those ones viewing my videos? Most times, those 500 people will not go back to see the long form videos. It is understandable, guys, but make sure you don't give up. Make sure you keep uploading shorts. Long form videos equals slow growth, especially for beginners. So those shorts can actually help improve your channel and improve your reach. This will now help other viewers to know that your channel exists. So those that are interested are the ones that will now go into the long form videos and also click on that subscribe button. It is very important, guys. So down to the trends, go to your YouTube analytics and you will see trends Click on the trends and you will see a list of topics that people are searching for. vidIQ can actually help in this, guys. Trust me, like I said, you need to always update yourself. You need to stay updated on this YouTube space, or else we will leave you behind though. So make sure you react to trends, offer tips. People are looking for 1 or 2 tips that will help improve their channel. People are looking for 1 or 2 tips that will help improve their cooking recipes. Depending on your niche, guys, just you will see a whole lot. So guys, this particular number 4 mistake is really important. A lot of us are actually defaulting in this particular one, so make sure to implement this and you will see a lot of changes in your channel. Now let's move to the last but not the least. Guys, last but not the least is inconsistent posting schedule. Trust me, viewers won't stick. They will not subscribe if they don't know when to expect a next content, right? They would not subscribe to your channel. So that's why I kick against inconsistency. If you know you're not ready, do not start. But if you know you're ready, then make sure to have a schedule on when to post and when not to post. If you've decided you're going to be posting twice a day, keep to twice a day. If you've decided you're going to be posting once in a week or once in 3 days, make sure to abide by that, because you have people that are actually observing your channel and seeing that if you actually keep to this, then every 3 days I will be expecting a new video from this content creator. Guys, it is very important. The solution to this can be commit to 1 or 2 uploads every week, even short. Make sure to upload at least once or twice in a week. It is very important. If you can do more than that, good and fine. Your strength, your timing. So make sure, guys, that at least in a week you have a video that will keep you going. One bonus tip is YouTube rewards consistency with a lot of impression. I know we've come across things like impressions, and I've explained this in my previous video talking about how to read YouTube analytics. Impressions are people YouTube allows your videos to get across to. You will see an impression reading 1,000. So that means your video have come across 1,000 people. So YouTube actually rewards consistency with impressions. They get to push your videos out, then see how people react to it. So guys, this and many more are what you should actually look out for and what you should avoid. In this particular video, I made sure to list out the mistakes for you, and I also gave you at least a solution that will help improve your YouTube channel. Please guys, do not forget to always click the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Do well to fix 2 or 3 of those mistakes and you will see your subscribers count will shift so fast. I will see you in my next video where I will be sharing with you amazing YouTube tips that will keep you growing. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.